Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the chapter number 7, My Home. In this chapter, we are going to see the three topics: types of houses, rooms in a home, keeping home clean. In our home, who all are there to live together? We have father, mother, sisters, brothers, grandparents, and so on. Are you happy at home with all? For what we built the house? We built the house to have the protection of sun, rain, wind, and also the house keeps us safe from thieves and wild animals. We also have to keep our house neat and clean always. We should not throw the waste here and there or neighborhood. It should be collected in dustbin. Then, how many rooms are there in your home? We should have living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen and dining room. Here in living room we receive the guest. In bedroom we take rest. In kitchen we cook tasty foods. In bathroom we take bath. And in the dining room we eat food. And we also have got the study room where we study. The study room is used for the study. Then, in olden times, in order to get the old people from the sun, rain and wind, they used to live in a cave. Where do they live? In cave. So, they will be protected from all kinds of things. Then, in order to keep our home clean, we have to keep the things, the books, the teddies and all other things what we use in a proper place. Then our home will be neat and clean, and we have to open the window to get fresh air and the sunlight. Then we have to, as I have told you before, we have to collect the waste in a dustbin and dust it everywhere where there is dust. And we have to grow plants in our house surroundings so that we may get fresh air. Now let's read the chapter number 7, My Home. I am Vansh. This is my house. I live here with my father, mother and baby sister. My house has many doors and windows. It has roof and walls. My house protects me from sun, wind and rain. It keeps me safe from thieves and wild animals. It has the best place in the world. I call it my sweet home. Do you used to give a name for your home? Long time ago, people used to live in a caves to protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. Then comes types of houses. There are two types of houses, kacha houses and pakka houses. What is the meaning of kacha house and pakka houses? Kacha house is made of mud, straw or leaves, and the pakka house is made of stones, bricks, cement and glasses. The pakka houses will be very strong. That are the two types of houses. How many are there? Kacha houses and pakka houses. Then rooms in a house. There are many rooms in a house. Some rooms are big, some rooms are small. We use different rooms for different purpose. We receive our guests in a living room. We sleep and rest in the bedroom. We cook tasty food in a kitchen. We take bath in the bedroom. We eat food in the dining room. We study in the study room. We should keep our home neat and clean. We should not throw our waste in the neighborhood. Always use the dustbin to throw the waste. Keeping home clean. Let's see how Nida and Ali keep their homes clean. Hi, I am Nida. I keep my toys, books and clothes at their proper places. Hi, I am Ali. I open the windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. I help my parents in dusting the furniture. We should grow plants around our house. They keep the fresh air. So, dear students, let's keep our home neat and clean, and let's know what all the rooms are there and for what all the purpose we use the rooms, and we should be happy at home living all together. Thank you.